Welcome again to Daily Talk. In today's video, we are going to learn about something very interesting. Personally, it's very interesting for me because I just love to do this. Whenever I have a free time, I just prefer doing this. Yes, I'm talking about sleeping. தூங்குறது நம்ம எல்லாருக்குமே ரொம்ப பிடிச்ச விஷயம், right? எப்பயாவது கொஞ்சம் பிரேக் கிடைச்சதுன்னா நம்மளோட ரொட்டீன்ல இருந்து கொஞ்சம் ஃப்ரீ டைம் இருந்ததுன்னா we just prefer to sleep. So அந்த தூக்கத்தை பத்தி அதுக்கு ரிலேட்டடான சில வேர்ட்ஸ் பத்தி தான் இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம். So if you're ready, let's get started. Today's lesson is going to be about vocabulary related to sleeping. Learn words related to sleeping, different kinds of sleeping and its different names. So the first type is someone who can sleep anytime anywhere. எப்போ கேப் கிடைச்சாலும் தூங்கிடுவாங்க. அந்த மாதிரி people நம்ம தமிழ்ல தூங்கு மூஞ்சின்னு சொல்லுவோம். சரியான தூங்கு மூஞ்சி கொஞ்ச நேரம் கிடைக்க கூடாது போய் தூங்கிடுவான் அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம். அந்த மாதிரி type of people இங்கிலீஷ்ல we call them as hypersomnia. Hypersomnia means someone who can sleep all through the day. Wherever they have time, whenever they have a small break, like give them a 10 minutes break, they'll just prefer to sleep. Hypersomnia is the name of the habit where people get to sleep anytime, anywhere. Now, how do we call that person who is a hypersomniac? That person is called as hypersomniac. He is a hypersomniac. He can sleep anytime, anywhere. Means, இவன் ஒரு சரியான தூங்கு மூஞ்சி எப்போ எங்க கேப் கிடைச்சாலும் தூங்கிடுவான். The next word is தூக்கமே வராதவங்க. The exact opposite category. நான் நைட் எவ்வளவு நேரம் படுத்து பார்க்கறேன், இந்த ரூம்ல படுத்தேன், அந்த ரூம்ல படுத்தேன், complete disturbed sleep, எனக்கு தூக்கமே இல்ல, சரியான தூக்கமே இல்ல. Sleeplessness. People who suffer from sleeplessness is called as a insomnia. Insomnia means தூக்கமே வராம கஷ்டப்படுறது. Insomnia. Insomnia means someone who is suffering from sleeplessness. They are called as insomniac. So now we discussed about தூங்கு மூஞ்சி and தூங்கவே இல்லாத மூஞ்சி. இப்போ third one is தூக்கத்துல நடக்கிறது. I have not seen personally anyone all through my life, but I have seen in a lot of movies only. So if you know any sleepwalkers or if you are a sleepwalker personally, do drop in the comment section. So I think it can be a very interesting chat we can have on the chat thread right in the comment section. So if you are a sleepwalker or if you know someone who sleepwalks, do drop in the comment section. Now how do we call them? We say sleepwalker as we were discussing now. They are called sleepwalkers. They walk during the sleep. But there is a specific name for them. That's called somnambulism. Those who walk during the sleep. That is called as somnambulism. So let's have a quick recap. சரியான தூங்கு மூஞ்சி அப்படினு சொல்றதுக்கு hypersomnia, தூக்கமே வராம கஷ்டப்படுறதுக்கு insomnia, தூக்கத்துல நடக்கிறதுக்கு பேரு somnambulism. தூக்கத்துல நடக்கிற அந்த டிசீஸ்க்கு பேரு disease or whatever disorder maybe we can say. அதுக்கு பேரு somnambulism. So next time if you want to scold someone as a தூங்கு மூஞ்சி, say them hypersomniac. If you are suffering from sleeplessness during the night, call yourself as an insomniac. So if you know someone who walks during the sleep or if you are a sleepwalker, then you are going through something called somnambulism. So use these words accordingly and improve your vocabulary and speak better English every day. With this lesson, let me sign off for today. Meet you all again tomorrow with something more interesting and meaningful to all of us. So bye-bye. Have a great evening.